Hi, I'm Jake, and this is how to mix mortar. Let's get into it. First up, it's important to know that the type of mortar mix depends on the job at hand. There are pre-mixed mortar bags for smaller projects, or for larger ones, you can mix up your own. You'll generally need a mix of sand, cement, hydrated lime, and water. The ratio you use can vary. Some things to consider before you start. The types of sand and cement will vary with the colour of mortar you're trying to achieve. Your typical grey mortar is a standard cement with a brick sand. You can achieve a lighter or cream colour using a white brick sand and an off-white cement. If you're after a different look, you can even add different oxides to change the colour completely. There are also different additives which helps make the mortar easier to work with. You don't need much, so make sure you follow the product's instructions carefully as it will affect the strength of your mortar. Start by adding your dry materials to a wheelbarrow. Measure out 6 parts, which would be 6 equal shovels of sand to 1 part cement and 1 part lime. Thoroughly mix them together until the colour is consistent. This helps ensure that when you add water, the cement is evenly distributed. Start adding your water gradually. You don't want to drown the mix with water straight away. It's all about controlling the amount you add so you get the right consistency. While mixing, use a shovel to fold the dry mix from the outside into the water at the centre. Add water slowly, as it's much easier to add water than to try and fix a wet mix, as you may ruin the ratios. The goal is to achieve a mix that's smooth but holds its shape, something like a thick workable paste. Remember, too much water will make your mortar weak and hard to work with, so be patient. A good tip here is to do a simple test. Pick up a small amount of mortar on your trowel and hold it upside down. If it sticks without falling off, you've got the right consistency. If it's too dry or crumbly, add a bit more water. And there you have it. You have now mixed your mortar and it's ready to use. If you liked this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.